An Entertainment Industry Organization and Company Guide. Chapter 1. Lists of entertainment organizations and companies. International Society for the Performing Arts. Organization of over 600 members with professional involvement in the performing arts. 630 9th Avenue Suite 213. NYC 10036 to 4752. United States. 212-206-8490. ISBA.org. Career Center at isba.org/networking/opening_search.asp. youtube.com/c/International Society for the Performing Arts. Entertainment Industry Organizations. American Federation of Radio and Television Artists. 260 Madison Avenue. NYC 10016/. 6922 Hollywood. 8th FL. Hollywood, California 90028. 213-461-8111. SagaFTRA.org. American Guild of Musical Artists. 212-265-3687. MusicalArtists.org. American Federation of Musicians. 212-869-1330. AFM.org. American Film Institute, AFI. 2021 Northwestern Avenue. Los Angeles, California 90027-1657. 323-856-7600. Information at afi.com. AFI.com. American Society of Cinematographers, ASC. POG 2230. Hollywood, California 90028-2230. 800-448-0145. Office at theac.com. theac.com. Association of Performing Arts Presenters. 1112 16th Street Northwest. Number 400. Washington, D.C. 20036. artspresenters.org. Entertainers Equity Association. 212-869-8530. entertainersequity.org. Motion Picture Association of America, MPAA. 15301 Ventura Boulevard, Building E. Sherman Oaks, California 91403-3102. 818-995-6600. Contact us at mpaa.org. mpaa.org. National Association of Black-Owned Broadcasters. 202-463-8970. nabob.org. National Association of Broadcasters. 1771 N. St. N.W. Washington, D.C. 20036. 202-293-3579. 202-429-5300. nab.org. National Cable and Television Association. 202-775-3550. ncta.com. National Association of Schools of Art and Design. National Association of Schools of Dance. National Association of Schools of Music. National Association of Schools of Theater. 11250 Roger Bacon Drive. Reston, Virginia 22091. 703-437-0700. Fax, 703-437-0700. info@arts-accredit.org. arts-accredit.org. The American Dance Guild. 212-932-2789. americandanceguild.org. Business Entertainment Associations at curlie.org/n/business/arts_and_entertainment/associations. Subcategories. Women's. Amusement parks and attractions. Audio. Costumes. Photography. Sports. Entertainersfund.org, The Entertainers Fund, help for people in the entertainment industry when a personal or family crisis threatens their well-being. AgentAssociation.com, Association of Talent Agents. The ATA is a non-profit trade association representing talent agencies. ALD.org.uk, Association of Lighting Designers, represents lighting designers in all fields in the United Kingdom and the rest of the world. ArtDealers.org, Art Dealers Association of America, non-profit membership organization of the United States leading galleries in the fine arts. CanyonCinema.com, Canyon Cinema, organization of filmmakers, which supports, promotes, distributes and preserves independent cinematic works of art. CFVA.com, Colorado Film and Video Association, a professional association serving the production community, individuals, and students throughout Colorado. Kona.org, Carriage Operators of North America, organization for commercial horse-drawn carriage operations within the United States. EditorsGuild.com, the Motion Picture Editors Guild, an entertainment labor union representing picture, sound, music, assistant, animation, technical directors, librarian and apprentice motion picture editors. ESTA.org, Entertainment Services and Technology Association, ESTA, nonprofit trade association representing the North American entertainment technology industry. FADA.org, Fine Art Dealers Association, a nonprofit membership organization of established art dealers across the United States. FairsAndExpos.com, International Association of Fairs and Expositions, IAFE provides services to fairs and expositions around the world. IEBA.org, International Entertainment Buyers Association, IEBA, a nonprofit organization dedicated to improving the entertainment buying power of its members. Imago.org, Imago, European Cinematographers, Federation of European Cinematographers Association helping cinematographers uphold the highest of standards. Laserist.org, International Laser Display Association, site features a guide to the use of laser displays and technology in art, education, and entertainment. Placid.org, Professional Lighting and Sound Association, Lighting and Sound Trade Association for the entertainment industry. SBE.org, Society of Broadcast Engineers, offers a range of services to members including technology updates, idea exchanges, training, examinations and certification. SOC.org, the Society of Operating Cameramen, SOC. STLD.org.uk, Society of Television Lighting Directors, information about television lighting, lighting directors, and lighting equipment. TheaC.com, American Society of Cinematographers, an interactive and in-depth site exploring cinematography and filmmaking and home to the online version of American Cinematographer magazine. USIT.org, United States Institute for Theater Technology, USIT, Association of Design, Production, and Technology Professionals in the Entertainment Industry. Some entertainment companies. ABC Incorporated. 77 West 66th Street. NYC 10023 to 6298. 212-456-7777. Fax, 212-456-1424. abc.go.com. Black Entertainment. Television. 1 Bet Plaza. 1235 W Street NE. Washington, D.C. 20018. 202-608-2000. Fax, 202-608-2589. BET.com. Creative Artists Agency. 9830 Wilshire Boulevard. Beverly Hills, California 90212-1825. 310-288-4545. Fax, 310-288-4800. CAA.com. CBS Incorporated. 51 West 52nd Street. NYC 10019. 212-975-4321. Fax, 212-975-4516. cbs.com. Clear Channel. Communications. 200 East Bass Road, San Antonio, Texas 78209. 210-822-2828. Fax, 210-822-2299. ClearChannelOutdoor.com. Comcast Corporation. 1500 Market Street, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19102-2148. 215-665-1700. Fax, 215-981-7790. Comcast.com. Cox Communications Incorporated. 1400 Lake Hearn Drive, Atlanta, Georgia 30319. 404-843-5000. Fax, 404-843-5975. cox.com. Discovery Communications Incorporated. 1 Discovery Place, Silver Spring, Maryland 20910. 240-662-2000. Fax, 240-662-1868. Discovery.com. DreamWorks SKG LLC. 1000 Flower Street, Glendale, California 91201. 818-733-7000. Fax, 818-695-7574. DreamWorks.com. Fox Entertainment Group. 1211 Avenue of the Americas, NYC 10036. 212-852-7111. Fax, 212-852-7145. fox.com. Home Box Office, HBO. 1100 Avenue of the Americas, NYC 10036. 212-512-1000. Fax, 212-512-1182. HBO.com. The McGraw-Hill Companies Incorporated. 1221 Avenue of the Americas, NYC 10020. 212-512-2000. Fax, 212-512-3840. McGraw-Hill.com. Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer Inc. MGM Studios. 245 North Beverly Drive, Beverly Hills, California 90210. 310-449-3000. Fax, 310-449-8857. MGM.com. National Public Radio Incorporated. 635 Massachusetts Avenue Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20001-3753. 202-513-2000. Fax, 202-513-3329. NPR.org. News Corporation. 1211 Avenue of the Americas, 8th floor, NYC 10036. 212-852-7017. Fax, 212-852-7145. newscorp.com. Paramount Pictures. 5555 Melrose Avenue, Hollywood, California 90038. 323-956-5000. Fax, 323-862-1204. Paramount.com. Pixar Animation Studios. 1200 Park Avenue, Emeryville, California 94608. 510-752-3000. Fax, 510-752-3151. Pixar.com. Premedia. 745 Fifth Avenue, NYC 10151. 212-745-0100. Fax, 212-745-0121. Promedia.com. USA Network Incorporated. 152 West 57th Street. New York, New York, 10019. 212-314-7300. Fax, 212-314-7309. usanetwork.com. Viacom Inc. 1515 Broadway. NYC 10036. 212-258-6000. Fax, 212-258-6464. Viacom.com. Vivendi Universal. 42 Avenue de Friedland. 75380 Parasidex 08. France. Plus 33-1-71-71-10-00. Fax, plus 33-1-71-71-10-01. VivendiUniversal.com.